Good morning, everyone. Look at, we got Mother Nature playing Jenga with the snow. Old rocky road out here. What's up, boy? It's currently 3 degrees. I'm doing my morning routine here when it's this cold. Can't really leave them out in the snow all day. It's 3 degrees, super cold. But I wanted to just hop on here real quick this morning and say hello to everybody. Show you guys how these guys are doing in here. Here's my little hot box for Rocky and... Hold on, buddy. Let me get your treat out here. Come on. There you go. Good boy. I'm gonna try to show you guys the temperature in here, but I don't know if it's gonna be light enough. But as I was saying, it's 3 degrees outside, and they got their little heater going here. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. No. But it looks like the temperature is sitting at right around 50 degrees here in this room. It's not really a room, it's just a little box partition I built off there to keep them warm and put up when I need to. Go in here, I can actually show you guys a light in this room. Let's see what it's saying in here. It's a little under 40 in this room. This room kind of has a little bit of a crack down here that lets some of that cold air come in from the rest of the garage here. But I'm gonna go out and get these yahoos out here to use their bathroom and get them a drink this morning. And then, you know, I do this 3-4 times a day when it's this cold. It's too cold to leave them out. I'm pretty sure those dog houses would be warm enough for them, but like I said, I feel better when they are sitting at around 40 or 50 in this super nasty shit. But as you'll see here, old Miss Illis is coming back into season here, so really thinking hard about taking her to Rocky. It'd be a brother-sister breeding. Feel that there's enough of an outcross in both of those parents or grandparents that that would be fine. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. We'll see what happens. No guarantees on nothing, you know how it goes, but we're gonna probably try it. So anyhow, I just figured I would hop on here, say hello to everybody. Hope everybody's staying warm in this shit. I know most of the country's getting hammered with this storm, and we probably got about, by looking at the doghouse roofs, about 4 or 5 inches. You know, I shovel them off pretty much every time it does snow, so I can kind of gauge it. But anyway, super cold up here in the heart of Illinois. It's 3 degrees. My dogs are warm, sitting in around 40-50 degrees in their little spots. It's plenty well enough for me, and you know how it is in the wintertime. We got to stay busy and keep them moving. So hopefully everybody has a good day. Stay safe out there, y'all. Stay warm.